Hi
guys.
Welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing Buddy the Elf costume and Mrs. Elf, I guess. Really cute costumes. If you're going to any special holiday parties, this is definitely great, for you and your husband to wear, or just, if you want to wear it yourself, or, Buddy, so it's really cute. The costume is very well made. You can see it's got, the zipper all around, comes with the tights, little booties that you can put over your shoes, and then the hat, and it's got an elastic if you need. But overall, really great. The girls, the same thing, very comfortable and warm. Its zippers in the back, his in the front. Overall, great product, really nice, and it's really cool, like, to wear for any special holiday party, right? So we highly recommend this product, and we hope you enjoy. Happy holidays! You can also visit Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.